I decided to create the world's largest functional Nerf gun. So it's one thing to look good, but let's see how she holds up against the guns of my coworkers. After you shoot, you just rotate the cylinder over and you can do it 5 more times. The darts exit the gun at about 40 miles per hour. You can use it for skeet shooting, or dude, perfecting. We also 3D printed a projectile that was a little more aerodynamic. And we were amazed to see it travel 130 yards. My niece and nephews were picking on me. I have neglected to tell them about my creation.